Hey there everybody, hope you're having a great start to your summer. I've got some exciting news today. I have a brand new smoker that I need to go pick up from work that Grilla Grills sent me to add to my collection so I can use it this summer to show you guys some more great recipes. So let's head off to my office, pick this thing up because it came in on a pallet and had it delivered there, bring it home and get it assembled. All right, and here we go. Got the Silverbac home with some accessories that they sent me. So let's get this thing unboxed and assembled, and let's start smoking on this bad boy. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. It took me about 35 minutes to assemble this thing from opening the crate to final product. And I have to say it went really, really well. Grilla Grills has done an excellent job of packaging their materials and their smoker with all of the parts and adequate instructions to make this thing very easy to assemble. I do have to say, very impressed when looking at this and how well this is constructed over some of their competitors that I've used before. Grilla Grill, this is the Silverbac, is built like a tank. This thing is really sturdy. The components are top quality, easy to assemble, and this thing's actually fairly easy to maneuver around when looking at the instructions on how to use this thing. Some of the features that I really did like about this is the cabinet. Lots of storage inside for your wood pellets and things like that. It comes with a meat probe that runs through a small port here to the inside. Large hopper, very nice. Really the only complaints that I have about this during the assembly process, there was really just one. And with the smokestack here, there's a gasket that goes between the smokestack assembly and the main case. Well, that was missing. But it turns out that was user error because I found it in the packing material. So that complaint out the window. I'm going to have to pull the smokestack off and put the gasket back on there. But the only other construction issue that I saw that maybe Grilla Grills will make this improvement in the future is the casters. They're really great casters for moving this thing around. Heavy duty, they can take a lot of weight, but I did notice that they're only 3-inch casters.
This thing was getting hung up when I was trying to drag it to the backyard and across my patio every time I hit a seam in the concrete. If Grilla Grills decides to do any type of improvement on this base, I would highly suggest going to a 3.5-inch caster or even a 4-inch caster for moving this thing around on your patio, especially if you have any cracks in there, a little bit easier. So that's it. We got the Silverbac here from Grilla Grills. I want to say thank you to Shane. If you're looking for any information on this, I highly recommend. They've got a Facebook page. I'll put the link down in the description here, where you can get all sorts of real-time information, have all of your questions answered from actual users. And what I was really impressed about with Grilla Grills is Shane, who is one of their top guys there, and their head engineer, Mark, are very heavily involved in answering and communicating with their customers. So great customer service and experience with pre-purchase as well as post-purchase. Just watching their interaction with their customer base is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing seasoned according to the very detailed directions that were provided with this, and start putting together some recipes for you guys this summer. Some of them will be on this smoker, some of them will be on some of my other smokers. So I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Smoked Meat with Jeff. See you next time.